She brought the remote from the hotel room. Why would you do that? Hi, Keep It Crazy family! We have a really fun-filled day planned today. We are gonna go see the Walk of Fame. And I don't know what else today has in store for us, but let's do this. So everyone's still getting ready. We're actually out. Oh, well, let's show them breakfast. So we already ate breakfast this morning.
It was so good.
But it was so good.
It was.
And it's such a cute little breakfast area. Look at this cute area. But yeah, it was super cute. Bella and Hannah are still getting ready, and then we are ready to get this day started. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are we gonna scooter down to Hollywood Boulevard?
I'm scared. Do you want me to steer? No, I'll steer. Okay. Oh,
That's the brake. Don't press down.
You need a driver's license for that.
You need a driver's license for these ones? So we were gonna ride the scooters, but they're like huge. And you have to be licensed and you have to be 18 and above, so.
Hopefully we come across smaller ones though.
I know, I hope so. So we are walking. He's scared me. Okay, so this is really cool to see all the stars right across. Sorry, there's a bus backing up. We're gonna go in the souvenir shop. Everything $10. $5 today itself.
Is it? Oh,
it's Savannah. Do those actually work? We found some cool stuff in the souvenir shops that we'll show you guys in a little bit. But thank you. They keep trying to hand you tour cards though everywhere you walk. She brought the remote from the hotel room. Why would you do that?
because literally for the past 2 nights that we've been here, or like the night that we've been here, I've been teasing Luke and I've been playing basketball, and all of a sudden I'll just power it off, and now he's trying to get the remote from me, but he can't. It's so funny, and I don't want him to get it, so I'm taking it everywhere.
But you're supposed to leave it in the hotel room.
I'll put it back. It'll be perfectly fine. It's just he will not get a hold of it. Okay, so we finished our nails.
Messed up.
Yes.
And look, Mom and I got matching.
Oh, it's zooming in. Wait. You're hitting the zoom button. We got matching. They're cute. Lucas got a pedicure.
Are they soft? Did you like it?
Here's Bella's.
It's nice.
Did you enjoy it? Not at all?
Don't lie.
Do your feet feel soft?
Yeah, they feel soft.
Savannah's all done. These are hers. Those are so cute.
I haven't been on my phone at all.
You guys, that's good. Bella hasn't been on her phone all day.
Everyone thinks I'm on my phone
down.
a lot, but I'm really not.
I saw her staring at her phone for 20 minutes earlier actually. So.
No, you're a liar.
No.
I was literally watching.
So we have not eaten lunch, but we're gonna go down and get some snacks because then we want to go over to the beach and. You good? And then we're gonna actually eat dinner out by the beach somewhere. But let's go get some snacks. I think they're having fun. They're yelling.
so we're at the Ostrich Festival. We have to go see ostriches. I want to see if I can ride one in a kilt. I'm just saying.
Right?
But apparently there's like duck races. I don't know how you make ducks race, but I want to see what that is. I think there might be a BMX show. I don't know. I've never been here, but
Me neither.
the kids just want to do the rides, but I want to see if we can sneak the kids away from the rides at some point to go see the stuff.
All right, we have Joe pushing Grandma because she has hurt her leg and Joe has his kilt on. So cute.
Liam, you started in the middle, but it pushed you. What happened?
It went backwards.
It went backwards?
You can't like move. Like Birdie was like, I was like, I'm gonna get squished because I was on that side, and he's like, no, I'm getting squished.
I think you.
I was like, no, I'll just stop the boys from doing it. I couldn't. Like when it went backwards, I couldn't do anything. I was trying to move back.
You squished him so much. I think Brody. I think you got taller. Were you trying? You were trying to pull yourself back?
Yeah, it's like up to my chin.
We made it to the beach, but it is like crowded, like crazy. I think a lot of people are here for spring break. So we had a really hard time finding parking, but we finally found this like parking garage. But I swear the car almost hit the top of it because there's not a very big clearance, so it was super scary. But we made it. We're good. Long story short, we're at the beach. Aha! There it is, way over there. Look how crowded this is. We finally made it to the beach. It's a little gloomy though because there's a lot of clouds in the sky, but we're still gonna try to take some pictures and stuff, so it should be fun. The water's freezing though, so we can't get in. Oh wait, actually that's pretty. Like right there. I got you right before you sit down. Actually, it's kind of cute. Okay, ready? One more time. You're not
Watching it. It came up fast.
I wasn't watching.
Jump.
I was looking at my camera.
I'm good.
Grandma, run!
I love as they're standing in line. They're like, "Ooh, can we do this next? And then that, and then that, and then that." I wish I had that energy.
Oh my gosh, they have a bump to go over. Ah! Oh no, you have to go backwards. Yeah. Oh my.
This is what you get when I drive.
Grandma, run!
All right, now I joke about having to push her in the mud and the bumps and stuff, but honestly, her leg's been hurting, and she's like, "No, I'll just walk everywhere." And I'm like, "No," because I know she would try, but she would literally hurt herself. So I'm totally teasing her about pushing her, but I volunteered to do this and knew what I was in for, so it's all good. It's all good fun.
Lucas didn't want to come down to the beach part because he didn't want to get sand in his tennis shoes. It's okay though. He is watching. From afar. From the little, actually there's like this little path that comes most of the way out, so he's just sitting over there. Should we go take some beach pictures of him?
Yes.
I think we should.
Let's just do it secretly. He can't know.
Okay, here's Lucas.
It's wild, Lucas.
Secret. Let's zoom in.
I think he sees us.
He looks very serious. Hey!
there's no baby in it. There can be babies in it, but these ones don't have babies in it.
Are they hairy, Birdie?
But this is.
Have one that had a baby?
Well, if you get the male and the female egg. If you get the male and the female eggs, then or the male and the female together, these ones aren't gonna have the males though.
Perfect.
Just like when you guys had your chickens, if you have the roosters and the chickens combined, sometimes there can be babies in it. But if you just have chickens, there's nothing.
I think the kids had a lot of fun, actually. And now we're headed home.
See you next time.
Climbing the tree. Yep, there they are.
Okay, we're leaving the beach. Savannah, oh my gosh, Bella almost. You good?
This light's very blinding,
So we purposely waited to come at sunset so that we could see a really beautiful sunset over the ocean.
get some nice sunset. Oh my gosh.
Yes, Savannah loves sunset pictures. She has the most amazing ones on her phone. And so she was so excited to get some and then just didn't work out.
It's stormy, not sunny.
So I'm really sad. I got this really cute frame.
Take one. That's gonna be fun.
That's like a dry erase board. It's fun. But look at this. So it was like a Hollywood frame that you could put like 3 pictures in, and it broke. I don't know how that happened. We found these cute necklaces. They look like this. There's like all different kinds. But I always have wanted to open an oyster and get a pearl. Did it poke you? Yeah. And so they came with little like things that you open up, and then there's different pearls. So if you get white, it's for wisdom, cream for success, peach for health, purple for wealth, and black for love. So I'm curious what each one of us will get. So she got a travel one with an airplane.
I was like,
She got her sign, so Cancer. Hannah got
Aquarius.
and then I got one that has the mom. How are we gonna open it?
it's gonna smell so bad, Mom.
No, it doesn't smell actually.
Not yet.
They probably packed it in something so that it wouldn't get smelly.
Oh, there's a little thing in here.
Yeah. Oh, there's a little opener. It's not working.
Oh, it just squirted on me.
Ew. Okay, what color did you get? Oh.
Oh no, that's purple.
Is that blue?
You got wealth.
This is black.
I think it's black.
Or wait.
No, it's black.
Blue. Yeah, it's definitely black.
Ooh, for love. I love that. What?
Love isn't real.
Oh, yes, it is,
No, it's
Bella.
Mom, you
Yes, it
we
is.
just have a rare case of love.
No, that's not true.
That is true.
You'll find your true love someday.
I can't open
But your
this.
family loves you. That's real.
Family love is real. Didn't believe in that one until like 2 years ago too.
Oh.
Can't open this.
Oh, ooh.
It was just it's the white one, which is
What's the white
wisdom.
one? Ooh, wisdom.
No, it's the cream is for success.
Oh, cream.
cream. It's like cream, right?
Ooh, yeah, that's a cream.
Yeah.
Ooh, success.
Okay, I need to open mine now.
Okay.
I got wisdom.
Ooh, you got white too. Or
Mine's
cream.
white. Mine's white.
Yeah, hers is white.
Oh, yeah. You can see the difference.
Got wisdom.
Yay, wisdom. Ew, it splashed on me.
Oh yeah, it's on your knee.
Yeah. I want to smell like fish all night. Ew, mine's like getting the guts, guys.
Yeah, yours
Yeah.
is cream.
I
You
got
success.
success.
Supposed to be success.
Success. I love it. I love the symbolism behind like pearls and stuff, how it's made from like a little tiny piece of sand and then made into something beautiful. Just like this trip was beautiful.
It was so fun. Just like you.
It's so fun. Just like you too. All right. Thank you guys for hanging out with us. We'll see you guys next time.
Peace out.
Bye. Bye.
Adios.
I don't get to see how you act at night because I'm always in my room.
Oh, you don't want to know how she acts.
Does
at
she
night?
get wild?
Yes. She wakes me up when I'm trying to go to sleep early.
That's not even true.
What do
No,
you
literally,
do?
the other night I woke up to her and Luke fighting, like they always do. And then her saying, "Don't be loud because you're going to wake up Savannah and she's going to get mad at you." I mean, she was right.
Wait, that wasn't good. That wasn't good.
Why off the chair? That's not safe, Bella.
A weekend up the coast, pretty lady, just get close. It doesn't matter why, let's just hit the road. My paradise is being with you. You're my